you can see, we have a mostly red herd. It's very sad to sell them now, but we're going to Mexico for 2 years, so we don't really have a choice but to sell them. And we've done very poorly with them, we didn't make a lot of money in the last few years, very little if any, so we don't really have a choice but to sell. But now they're running in, and as you can see, they never escaped us once, except now. Oh, that's a little crazy calf. Oh, there you go. A couple of years ago, they would have escaped us 3 times, probably. Right now we're trying to get the calves and cows separate, because in a situation like this it's dangerous to have cows and calves together, since the cows might not think very far and just trample the calves. So we're going to get one semi-load into this pen, and then at 8 we're having a semi is coming to load up one load, 25, and then he's going to bring them to the auction mart. Then we're going to load up a load of calves, which is only going to be half load because they're so small. We can load up a half load of cows yet, and then he's going to bring those away, and then he'll later come back for the rest of the cows. Here come the first cows into this pen. What they're doing there is letting the cows by but keeping the calves in, so that's how it works. Here for the second load, and he has to back way out there. Good thing is he knows how to back. Calves. They are just the We're here at the auction barn now, and you can see cows all around. Hear the rain on the roof, but we're in the dry barn. So these cows in these few pens here are ours. These pretty much all around here are ours. But we're working with sorting them. There's going to be a few guys coming to help us yet, or whatever. We'll help them, whatever how it goes. So yeah. These are not our cows, these are just other people's cows. I don't know whose, but don't even need to know. Here's a whole bunch of black ones, it looks like. That's cool.
Here we go. Any steer calves, Doug? Can you see them? Males, yeah. On 3 of them. All the money times 3. Who's got 2,000? At 2, none of them do, we're do, none of them do, we're do, none of them do, we're do, none of them do, 1,800. At 18, none of them 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 18, now 17. At 17, none of them 17, we're 17, none of them 17, we're 17, none of them 17.